Hi friends, welcome back. Naji here. We are continuing a discussion with LangGraph, and in this video we will be discussing on streaming. So real-time updates are key to keeping users engaged. So for example, we need to give feedback to the different feedback to the users like workflow progress, which means that the state updates of each graph node is executed, and we need to pass that back to the users, and we need to pass LLM token that is generated, or sometimes we may have to give some custom updates also, like we have fetched or we have processed n number of data. Those kind of a data we have to pass back to or stream back to the users, so that like users won't get like wants it ideal, right? So this kind of feedbacks are very important to keep users engaged. So LangGraph is actually providing two methods to provide the streaming. One is dot stream and other one is astream. So dot stream is a synchronous process and dot astream is a asynchronous process, and it supports different modes also, which is support. Okay, stream modes, different stream modes. LangGraph is supported. One is values mode, in which we will be returning the full state, okay, after each graph execution. Okay, then another is the update, so in which we are only updating the updated value to the users. The third one is a custom, so we will able to stream the custom values from each node. The fourth one is the messages, which means we can message like the LLM tokens and metadata generated from the LLM models like ChatGPT, or sorry, like OpenAI, and like the Anthropic, like that. Then the final one is the debug, which will actually stream all the debug informations back to the users. So these are the different modes that is supported by the LangGraph, and we'll see how can we implement that in using our code. For that, I have opened my Visual Studio Code, and this is the notebook. Okay, then we can start importing few packages, that is LangGraph.graph. We can import state graph, start and end. So this is the basic that we need to import, and I need to select the environment. So I have selected the environment. Okay, now we can import typedict. Okay, so that is also from typing I can import the typedict. Now we can define a state, which is a type of typedict, and here we are going to define two properties. One is the topic, which is of string, and another one is a jog, and which is a type of string. Okay, now let's define some methods. So one is the refine topic, which will accept a state. Okay, so here what is happening is that we are return the topic, so this will update the topic state. Okay, so what actually we are going to do, we are going to take the existing topic, then we will update the topic and cats. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. So this is a method in which we will be updating the topic, spelling is wrong, so topic with existing state, plus we are adding the and cats. Okay, so that is done. Now I can define another one, that is generate job. So here also we will have a state, and we will be return, and we will be updating the state, the jog state. Here we are updating that this is a jog about, I can mention the state topic. Okay, so this is two simple methods. Okay, so here, okay, so let me correct it little bit. Okay, so these are the two methods. One is the refine topic and another one is the generate topic. Okay, now these are some static values. Now we can define our graph. Okay, so I can define the graph. So for now I am going to create a state graph, which must be, this is not a stage graph, it's a state graph, and we'll be passing the state, right, and I can add a node. So this is my first node, that is the refine topic. Then we will have our second topic, second node, that is the generate jog. Okay, now I can add a node, add an edge. So that will be start. From the starting we will be going to the refine. Is not there. I can have a refine topic. Okay, then I can add a edge, that is from refine topic I can go to generate jog. Okay, once that is done, I can do a compile also. Okay, so here I can do a compile. So let me execute this. So graph is ready. Okay, now we can start do some streamings. So for that, first let me take a chunk in graph.stream. So here we can see a value stream. Okay, and I can pass a value to the topic, so which will be ice cream. Okay, now we can set the stream mode. So here I can set a stream mode. Stream mode will be values. Now we can print the chunk. So now let me execute this. So here we can see the streaming that we can see. First is we can see it's a ice cream, because the first value is the ice cream. Then second value is the ice creams, and so this is spelling mistake, so let me correct this. Ice cream. So the second one is the ice cream and topic. Okay, so this means we are going to our first node, that is a refine topic. So the refine topic will take the state, then it will add the and cat. So that is why we are getting the ice cream and cats. Then the last one is the ice cream and cat. Okay, so that is already we already saved that into the state. Then we are updating the jog. Okay, so here we can see each time when we update the state, we are getting entire state information we are getting, right? So if you want to get only the update only, okay, the state updates only, what I can do, instead of values I can do update. Okay, so if I mark it as an update, now let me execute it. Here we can see first time I am getting ice cream and cat. Okay, this is the first update. In the second time we are only updating the jog, right? That is why we are getting only the jog only. Okay, so we are not getting the topic. So earlier we are getting all the state information whenever we do a update, but here when the stream mode is update, we are only getting the updated state information. Okay, now we can see how the debug will work. So let me copy and paste. So I can put some debug information. Let me execute it. So here we can see the debug information like task, timestamp, and step 1 it says payload, and it says about lot of information. And if you want to do some debug information, so this is not for the users, this is mostly for the developers to log the details. Okay, so that's it about in this video. So in our next video we can discuss about other two modes, that is the custom mode, and we can discuss about the message mode also. So please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.